Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the next topic that is a very important part of amines, the basic character of amines or its basicity. So let's start with the topic. Amines, when they reacts with mineral acids, suppose we are taking HX. So when they combines with the mineral acids, they forms the salt. They forms the substituted ammonium salts, and this shows that they are having the basic nature because they had combined with the acid and they had formed the salt, and this is substituted ammonium salt. Now, students, in the similar way, if we take the example of aniline, it is the NH2 group attached with the benzene ring. When it is combining with any halor mineral acid, suppose we are taking HCl. So this lone pair of electron, we can show the movement like this, and it's going to form the anilinium salt. We will get here NH3X. Okay, here also you can show the movement of electron. This is the anilinium salt. So here by these two reactions, it is clear that these amines, whenever they are combining with the acids, they are forming the salts. That means these amines are basic in nature. So here we can see that these amines are having the nitrogen atom, which is having a unshared pair of electron. And because this unshared pair of electron, they are acting as a Lewis base. Students, in the 11th class, we had discussed the acids and bases. We had discussed on what terms you can say the acids. First, we had discussed the Arrhenius acids, the one which gives hydrogen ions. They were called as acids, Arrhenius acids, and those which which gives the hydroxyl ions, they were called as the Arrhenius bases. Then we had seen the Bronsted in the terms of only hydrogen. The one which give hydrogen, they were Bronsted acids, and the one which were accepting the protons, they were called as the Bronsted bases. And then Lewis concept was there in the terms of electrons. Those which were accepting the electron, they were called as Lewis acids, and those which were donating the electrons, they were called as Lewis base. So here we can see that there is an unshared pair of electron on the amines, on the nitrogen atom in the amines, so it can be easily donated. Because of this reason, they are acting as the Lewis base. And students, these amines, they are soluble in water. When they dissolve in water, we are making them to react with water. So what happens? They are going to form RNH3OH. Okay, having the positive charge. This is the substituted ammonium hydroxide. It dissociates to form, here also we will write the reaction reversible. It dissociates to form RNH3 plus OH minus. Okay, so this is dissociating to form the corresponding cation and anion. Now, if we are writing the value of equilibrium constant, we will write down the product of the molar concentration of products, that is the RNH3 ions and hydroxide ions upon this RNH2, that is the amine, and H2O. We know that the molar concentration of water remains constant, so we will combine with this value of K and it becomes Kb. So the value will be RNH3 plus OH minus upon RNH2. Okay, now students, this is the value of the Kb, and we know that pKb is equals to minus log of Kb. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब इसको हम इंटरप्रेट करते हैं. हाउ वी विल रीड? स्ट्रॉन्गर द वैल्यू, लार्जर द वैल्यू ऑफ Kb, larger the value of Kb, smaller the value of pKb. stronger will be the base. Stronger will be the basic nature of the amines. So on the value, on the basis of the values of the pKb, we can say that this is a stronger base or it is a weaker base. That means pKb की वैल्यू जितनी ज्यादा होगी उतना वो weaker base होगा. So अगर आप values हमारी बुक के अंदर चार्ट दे रखा है, वहां पे दे रखा है suppose if you are comparing the ammonia, अगर हम लेते हैं अमोनिया और एक साइड हम ले रहे हैं एल्काइल अमीन और एलिफेटिक अमीन लिखते हैं बेटा अपन. If we are comparing the basic nature of aliphatic amine with that of ammonia, suppose here I am taking this RNH2 and this is NH3. Now both are comparing in the basic nature. That means कौन जितना कितना इजीली अपना जो अनशेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो इसको डोनेट कर सकता है. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द एल्काइल ग्रुप दे आर हैविंग द प्लस आई अफेक्ट. और प्लस आई अफेक्ट हमें पता है दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग अफेक्ट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्लस आई अफेक्ट दिस electron pair it is easily available for donation. And when we will see the aryl amines, that is the aniline, अगर हम इसको कंपेयर करते हैं एनिलीन से, तो एनिलीन के केस में क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, दिस अनशेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स या लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इट इज इन कॉन्जुगेशन विद द पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ द बेंजीन रिंग. तो यहाँ पे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है ये इसके साथ इन्वॉल्व है, सो इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर डोनेशन. तो हम क्या कहेंगे, आउट ऑफ एराइल अमीन, ammonia and aliphatic amine, the aliphatic amine they are the strongest base and the aryl amine they are the weakest base. Now why we are saying here, because of the electron withdrawing, तो हम यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे because of the electron withdrawing nature of benzene ring. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम केवल इतना ही पढ़ेंगे आज कि जो अमीन्स होते हैं दे आर हैविंग द बेसिक नेचर एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस दे आर सॉल्युबल इन वाटर. एंड व्हाई दे आर शोइंग द बेसिक नेचर, बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अनशेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विच कैन बी इजिली डोनेटेड एंड दे आर एक्टिंग एज द लोएस्ट बेस. एंड देन वी हैड कैलकुलेटेड द इट इन द टर्म्स ऑफ Kb एंड Pkb. और हमने कहा जितना ज्यादा Kb की वैल्यू होगी, स्मॉलर द वैल्यू ऑफ Pkb, स्ट्रॉन्गर विल बी द base. And the aliphatic amines they are the strongest base and the aryl amines they are the weakest base. Now students, besides this there are other factors also, not only the inductive effect but there are many other factors like solvation will be there, steric hindrance, which is going to decide the basic nature of the amines. That we will see in the next class, how the structure is related with the basicity of the amines.